Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on how you can place an order on Shein application. So we all know Shein is an extremely popular site and application where you can get extremely trendy and fashionable clothes. So to order one of these for yourself, what we need to do is first open Shein application on your mobile phone or desktop. Here I've already downloaded Shein application on my mobile phone. If you don't have it, all you need to do is go to the Play Store and type in Shein, and you need to download that. Once you do that, it will be on your mobile phone. So what you need to do is open Shein application. So we will wait some time for the ad to skip. Once that happens, we can see various different shoes, dresses, tops, accessories, electronics, whatever you want, you can choose. So for me, let me just go with dresses. And this is the first dress. The first dress itself is what I want. So I'm going to add to bag. Select the size and add to bag. Once I do that, I can see in the top right corner there is a bag. There is a bag icon in the top right corner right over here. So once I tap in there, here are the list of clothing that I liked it and I would like to purchase it. So maybe I want to buy one of these, not two, one. So let me just deduct this. So one of this dress. So I'm going to select this, and on your bottom right corner you see the option checkout. Select there. And once you do this, you need to confirm the location, the address that you want the parcel to be delivered. So this is the address that I have chosen. You may edit it as per you wish. So in the shipping address, it is extremely important to fill in the right data over here, because if there is address mishaps, then your parcel may be lost on the way. So you can just type in the country, region, your name, phone number, addresses, PIN, zip code, etc. and save. So once you save it, you go back here. And second, you get the option of payment. So you can choose either credit or debit card or pay with PayPal. So this is what you can do. Suppose I select this or this, whatever you want to do. So as you scroll down, you can see all the totaling, and Shein also rewards you with some points. Like as you purchase, you get more points, and in future the points will give you more discounts on your next purchase. So once you all do all these, select PayPal. So once you come to this website, you may type in the email address or mobile phone of the account in PayPal and put in the amounts and password. Then once you do that, you have successfully ordered an item on Shein. So that is how you can do it. If this video was helpful in any way, hit the like button, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much for watching.